right, we're here at this office building at 3511 Camino Del Rio South here in San Diego, California. We got an outdoor elevator here. Let's see what we got. It's one of these key switches again. I don't know what these buttons are. Which one are you going to?
4, please.
4? Sure thing. Beautiful motor. Oh, what the heck? You going up?
Yeah.
Which one?
4?
4? Have a good one.
You too.
Thanks. Listen to the startup. Such a nice elevator. I do think the door close button works. Let's finish our cab view. We're going to take a look at the fixtures. This thing does bump a little bit when it goes up. Shakes a little bit, I should say. Still makes for an amazing elevator. All right, that'll be it.